In a world where air dominance is decided not by size, but by smart design, a new player has entered the battlefield in small, sleek, and devastatingly affordable. Meet Ragnarok, Kratos' low-cost cruise missile, named after the end of the world itself. Like a master chef perfecting a dish, Kratos has blended precision, speed, and economy into one deadly recipe. Their secret ingredient? Decades of experience building high-speed target drones. And now, that knowledge has cooked up something entirely new. Ragnarok isn't built to impress with bulk. It's built to overwhelm with numbers. Each missile stretches its wings of carbon composite, light as air, strong as steel. At 35,000 feet, it glides through the sky at Mach 0.7 and quiet, steady, unstoppable. From that height, it doesn't weave through valleys or hide behind hills. It simply looks down, locks on, and dives. Ground defenses can't keep up. To hit it, you'd need expensive interceptors, S-300s, S-400s, even fighter jets, each missile costing far more than the thing they're trying to destroy. It's not just a strike, it's economic warfare. Each Ragnarok costs just $150,000, a fraction of traditional cruise missiles. Yet it flies over 500 nautical miles, carrying a 36-kilogram warhead with surgical precision. A single fighter could launch dozens of them. A drone like the XQ-58 Valkyrie could unleash a swarm, one after another like arrows from an invisible bow. They fill the sky, cheap, fast, and lethal, individually small, together unstoppable. Because sometimes victory isn't about one massive weapon, it's about 1,000 small ones working in perfect harmony. And that's exactly what Kratos is serving. A new flavor of warfare, where affordability meets annihilation. This is Ragnarok, the end re-engineered.